Music has a significant impact on mental health, offering a range of psychological benefits. Here are some key points. Reduces stress and anxiety. Listening to music can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. It can also increase oxytocin, which promotes feelings of relaxation and well-being. 1. Improves mood. Music releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in how we feel pleasure. This can lead to improved mood and emotional well-being. 2. Enhances cognitive performance. Background music can improve performance on cognitive tasks, such as processing speed and memory. 3. Supports emotional health. Music therapy is used to help patients cope with stress, improve emotional health, and enhance overall psychological well-being. 4. Boosts brain health. Regular engagement with music, whether through listening or playing, is associated with better cognitive function and mental well-being. Overall, music can be a powerful tool for enhancing mental health and well-being. Do you have a favorite type of music that helps you feel better?